how to show or hide products brand on your store on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it or hide it. First, open your browser, and then once you're here, click on your click this icon here in the top corner, and then go to settings. Now type here display, or you can just scroll down until you find it here, and here we'll find store settings. Now scroll down, and here you will find product settings, and here we'll find show products brand. Now you can turn it off or on, and then click save. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.